Alright guys, go ahead and get out your notebooks so you can learn your new vocabulary words for this week. Let's make our graphic organizer in the center of the page. We're going to start with just 3 words today, and you'll learn your next 3 words tomorrow. Alright, so our root, we have a few. It's in, ill, ear, and then im, and in, but this time with an E instead of an I. Right, and all of this means to in or in to. Right, remember we do words here. So words, definition, sentence, and our pictures. Right, our first word using these roots is going to be inject. Right, and inject means to put something into. Right, usually when you think of inject, you think of like an injection at a doctor or something of that sort. So I'm going to leave that example sentence empty because I'm going to have you guys be writing your own this week. But for our picture, I'm thinking of drawing an arm. Well, kind of drawing an arm. Alright, so that's my arm, and they're going to get a nice, big shot. Right, and so this is full of medicine. Right, your second word is going to be impose. You ever heard that used before? Like maybe you're imposing on someone else. Basically what that means is to force into. Often we think of it as in forcing ourselves into something. Alright, sorry guys, my phone rang. And if you know Ryan, he tried to run and answer it for me. Okay, so I don't remember where we were. But we have our second word, which was impose, which means to force into. Often you've probably heard like you're imposing in on your parents or something, I bet, is one way you've heard it. So I'm thinking maybe our picture can be 2 people. They're going to be holding hands too. Or I'll make them hold hands to the best of my ability. So we have our 2 lovers. I'm going to draw a little heart between them. And over here is going to be their child. Who says, "Can I join?" Because the little girl is imposing in on her parents. All right, our third and last word for today is going to be incision. Just like you might have thought inject went with the idea of getting an injection at a hospital or a doctor or something, I'm sure incision also makes you think of that. And an incision is a surgical cut made into the skin. Read again. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to make you write your own example sentences this week. But we can draw our pictures together. So just like I went with the idea of a needle injecting into someone's arm, I'm going to do the same idea with incision. So because arms are just about the only body part I can kind of draw, I'm going to draw another arm. Right? But this one is going to have a little cut right there. And then I'm going to try and draw a scalpel. Put a little blood on it. Drip it off. Yes, that scalpel just cut into that guy's arm. All right, so be sure you go down to the discussion in this so that you can put in your example sentences, and look out tomorrow for your next 3 words. I'll see you guys soon.